So hello everyone, this is our final part 10 of electricity. In previous part we were talking about the rating of a fuse. If a means if we require 4.54 ampere will flow in the circuit, so in this case a 5 ampere fuse must be used. I have told you the rating, domestic purposes the rated fuse comes like of 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 3 ampere, 5 ampere and 10 ampere, etc. Now let's talk about MCV. Miniature. This is the picture of MCB. MCB means miniature circuit breaker. These days houses are increasingly using miniature circuit breaker to protect the household wiring from overloading or short circuit. So they switch off the circuit within a very short duration of time, in a fraction of a second. In case of short circuit or overloading, the MCV can be reset when the fault has been rectified. So this automatically gets down, and when the fault gets rectified, the MCV can be reset when the fault has been rectified. So now let's talk about electric power, last topic. So what is electric power? Electrical power is the rate at which electrical energy is consumed by an appliances. Means at which rate electrical energy is consumed means W. This is electrical power we denote with capital P. W, electrical energy at which rate it consumed is, and this is the ratio of W by T, is called your electrical power. So electric power, we show like that. W also we can write V I T. So V I T, T will be cancelled. It P we can also write P is equal to V I. So electric power is also defined as P is equal to Vi, means multiplication of V, product of V and I. Electric power is also defined as a product of applied voltage and the current flowing through the circuit. Other relation also we will see. So we have seen that P is equal to W by T. So W we can write VIT also. How come VIT? We write VQ. W is equal to V by Q. Sorry, VQ. W by T is equal to P. W we can write W is equal to VQ, and Q is all our I into T. So from here we got that P is equal to V into I into T by T. T will be cancelled. We will get P is equal to V. Also we can write V is equal to I R होता है, तो we can put the value V is equal to IR. So in place of V what we can write? So first we have got P is equal to VI, और इसको हम लोग और क्या लिख सकते हैं? This is our first value. V is equal to IR, so also we can write P is equal to I into R. Okay, we have got I square R. P is equal to power I square R. तो इलेक्ट्रिकल पावर इन टर्म्स ऑफ V and R, how we write? I क्या होता है? I we can write V by R. So इससे क्या हो जाता है? When we will put the value, we will get P is equal to V into I. I का वैल्यू हम लोग क्या रख रहे हैं? I is equal to V by R in terms of voltage and resistance. तो V into V by R, we will get V square R. So what relation we have got here? Let's see. First P is equal to VI, then P is equal to I square R. Okay, and third one P is equal to V square R. And we have got firstly P is equal to work energy by T. This is 4 relation. Unit of electric power is watt. We write watt. W we denote with W. W also we say that voltage into ampere. SI unit of electric power is watt. V into I. Okay, so voltage into ampere. Thus electric power is said to be 1 watt if 1 ampere current flows through an electrical circuit when a potential difference of 1 volt is applied. Simple. So 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second, or we can write kilowatt also. This we denote with 1000 into watt. This kilowatt hour, it is the commercial unit of electrical energy. 1 kilowatt hour is the electrical energy consumed by an appliances of 1000 watt when used for 1 hour. Means simply watt कितना हो जाएगा? 1000 when used for 1 hour, 1 kilowatt hour. ओके, ये एक आता है कितना? 3.6 इंटू 10 to the power 1 kilowatt is equal to this one. 1 kilowatt is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. 1 watt, we also write 1 volt into 1 ampere. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. जूल में हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 जूल, और वॉट में 1000 वॉट. कंजम्पशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी इज जनरली मेजर्ड इन किलोवाट. यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी इज किलोवाट आर. 1 किलोवाट कितना? आर कितना अगर करते हम लोग निकालेंगे तो कितना होगा? 1000 वॉट इंटू 1 आर. आपका कितना होगा ये? 1000 वॉट इंटू 360 सेकेंड में. लाइक दिस यू विल कन्वर्ट, यू विल गेट हियर वॉट यू विल गेट 1 किलोवाट इज इक्वल टू किसके बराबर होता है? वॉट सेकेंड को कैसे लिखेंगे? 3.6 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 6. दिस इज 10 टू द पावर 6 हियर. ओके, 3.6 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 6 वॉट सेकेंड. सो दिस इज डन. Power rating of common electrical appliances. All electrical appliances such as electric bulb, electric iron, geyser, toaster, room heater and hair dryer are rated in terms of voltage and electric power. उस पर लिखा होता है voltage electric power का. तो voltage क्या होता है? तो voltage of an electrical appliances is the potential difference that can be safely applied across its input terminal in our country. We get domestic हम लोग को कितना voltage मिलता है? 220 volt का. Okay, the voltage of electrical appliances in our country is kept at 220 volt. इलेक्ट्रिक पावर क्या था? वॉटेज. द इलेक्ट्रिक पावर an electrical appliances is the rate at which it consumes electrical energy under a rated voltage. Rated voltage हमारा क्या है 220 वोल्ट. रेटिंग क्या होता है? द वैल्यू ऑफ द वोल्टेज एंड इलेक्ट्रिक पावर ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस टेकन टुगेदर इज कॉल्ड रेटिंग. मीन्स क्या 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 होना चाहिए ऑफ एनी इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस? द वैल्यू ऑफ वोल्टेज एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल पावर, इन दोनों को मिला के हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? इस कॉल्ड रेटिंग. फॉर एग्जांपल द बल्ब रेटेड होता है 220 वोल्ट, इसमें लिखा रहता है और पावर 60 वाट का कंज्यूम्स. इट मीन्स इट कंज्यूम्स 60 जूल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी पर सेकेंड व्हेन द अप्लाइड वोल्टेज इज 220 वोल्ट. क्वेश्चन आता है आपको, अगर रेटिंग लिखा है 220 वोल्ट 60 वाट का मतलब क्या है कि 60 जूल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी पर सेकेंड व्हेन द अप्लाइड वोल्टेज इज 220 वोल्ट की थी. ओके, this is what about our electrical power. Thank you. Now you have to solve the numerical. Ask if you have any problem. This chapter is over. All the best.